Hello and welcome to HWM in Walton-on-Thames. Today I'm going to be walking you around this lovely firecracker yellow 360S. This was first registered in 2022 in April. It's covered just over 4,000 miles and as you can see it is in beautiful condition, never driven in the rain, and it is a factory built car as well. But let's take a closer look at some of the options. Okay, so starting at the front of the car, we can see it has the nice chrome headlight bowls, which is all part of the silver pack. Works well with the silver wheels. This one does have the optional sport suspension, which gives you a little bit of a firmer ride, but is still compliant enough for the road. It does also have the uprated brake master cylinder, which gives you a nicer pedal feel. Okay, so moving on to the side of the car, you can see, continuing on from the silver pack, it does also have the silver catalytic converter cover, which works nicely with the chrome stone guards, which, considering the mileage, are in fantastic condition, because normally you find these chip a little bit, and same down with the painted bit just here, but this has been driven very carefully and it's in wonderful condition. Same with the alloy wheels, they are also in fantastic condition. But let's take a closer look at the interior and we can talk about that. Right, so moving on to the interior of this 360, starting with the dashboard. It is normally in like a black vinyl, but this one's been spec'd with the optional carbon fibre dash. It does also have the optional suede steering wheel, and it's got the lovely 4-point harnesses, which look like they've barely been used. Other notable features, you've got the 360S model designation on the dash there, and these leather seats or leather vinyl seats are in lovely condition. It does also have the optional armrests fitted to the doors, which just add a little bit more comfort inside the car. Okay, so moving on to the rear of the car, because of the age of this one, it does have the LED rear lights as standard. Your reversing light is built into the number plate as well, and that is all LED. This one does have the full weather gear, which is all stored away in here with the frame for the roof. But I hope you have found this video useful, and if you've got any further questions about this car or any of our other stock, do please give us a call on 01932 240 611. Thanks for watching.